Okay, so we're going to look here at finding fraction of an amount. And the basic rule here is you need to divide this whole number here, whatever amount is you starting with, by your denominator. Okay, the denominator is down below. And we are going to then, after that, times by the top. Now it's called the numerator, but it sounds quite nice when you can actually have a method, and our method is TTDD, which is times the top, divide by the denominator. Okay, now you can do this in either order. You can times first or divide first. I prefer to divide first because then I get smaller numbers. So I'm going to take my 63 and I'm basically splitting it up into 7 equal parts. Okay, so I do that. If you're not sure about dividing by 7 or 7 times the table, it's always worth then writing them out just down the side of the page. 7, okay, 14. You can work bit by bit then. 21, 28, 35, 42. This is a top tip for any time you don't know your times table. You can use your fingers to add them on. 49, and then we've got 56. And after that, we have 63. And after that, we have 70. Okay, so we could have gone straight to 10 times 7 and taken 7 off and got that way. But look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 sevens are 63. 63 divided by 7 then is 9. Okay, so we've found out what one part would be. And now we want to do the TT bit. So now we're going to take our one part, which is 9, and we're going to times it by 2, which is going to give us 18. Now, another way to look at this is to have your number split up into boxes. Now, because we're dealing with sevenths here, we need 7 boxes. So these 7 boxes are equal to 63. Okay, so this whole load of boxes equal to 63. So imagine you're splitting this 63 up equally into these 7 boxes. Okay, so whenever you're splitting something up equally into boxes, like in ratio or here dividing, you are doing that 63 divided by the 7 boxes, and it's 7 because we're dealing in sevenths up here. So again, you have to know your times table or to work out that that is 9 in each box. Let's just write the 9 in here in each box, and all those 9s must add up to the 63. It's just another way, a nice visual way to show this is what's happening. It's not just a formula you're learning. So we want 2 of them. So let's take 2 of these boxes. I would like to have this one and this one. And so those 2 added together will give you the 18 that we had in our first solution. So let's just write that underneath here. So 9 plus 9, or 9 times 2 is your 18. And we have it. Times by the top, divide by the denominator, or divide by the denominator times by the top, or put it all into boxes, split it up, and choose the bits that you want.